Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn newsletters to grow your subscriber list. Beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile page. On your profile, locate the Manage section. Click on Manage Newsletter under the Resources or Add section menu. If you do not see the option, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria. To be eligible, you must have a creator mode activated on your profile. If creator mode is not activated, go to your profile settings and turn it on. After activating creator mode, return to the Manage section. Click on Create a Newsletter to begin the setup process. Choose a catchy title for your newsletter that reflects your content. Set the publishing frequency that suits your content schedule. Select whether you want your newsletter to be public or limited to your connections. Once satisfied with your selections, click on Create to finalize your newsletter. You'll now be prompted to create your first issue. After completing the issue, click on Publish to share it with your audience. Promote your newsletter by sharing the link in posts or messages. Continue producing high-quality content for future issues. Adjust your content strategy based on feedback and analytics results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.